Ka lympung ialehkai district level inter-school athletic meet arjar arpunrio. Palapanya da ka upis district sports officer DSO West Giant Hills District. Ringkat ka jingat rilang ka West Giant District Sports Association WJDSA. Kelas dang hak arpu artrik yayong Hawaii Air Multi Sports Complex. Haka ni ka lympung ialehkai balai singilenter. Lawannya shimbynta hadu Nyospa arpusan ki khynnah na ki arpulai dari ki skul hakaleng ke West Giant Hills District halaki jongki kerdan ialehkai kintup naduk ka under 14, 16 but 18. Kum kadak ka jing Sdang ya ka lympung ka kongsan ka District School Education Officer Dr. Waisa Sumer kalapan heri kalama ha ka jingdon lang u District Sports Officer DSO ba krobok pasa Working President WJDSA ba EMH pasa, Vice President WJDSA Patrick Lamare, ki Principal bat kinohikai na ki school baper. Ya ka jingbam smai ni ud ceremony lalam kmat da ka peaceful poplan. Kabalayo ya ka nam Best Athlete jong usnam arja apsaw hadu arja apsan, na ka school not Liberty High Secondary School Jowai. Ka Dr. Waisa Sumer ha ka jingkran kalapun pawe ka jingkongsan jong ka ialehkai bat ka yarap ru ha ka koi ka kya jong ki khynnah.
But remember, every moment counts. This is the moment that you all are looking for. Therefore, this is a moment that it will really count. It is an opportunity for you all to grow, to learn, to face the challenge. This phase of your life as students is too precious. Remember, student life is the golden life of each one of us. I believe all of us, as teachers, or as any individual in any society, the only period, the only phase which always visits us every now and then is the period of our school life. So school life is a golden life. I want all of you to make the best use of it. As we understand that when we talk about school life, there's no amount of yardstick that can measure the preciousness of this period of our life. I know, my dear students, for coming here to participate in the athletic meet, you have made a lot of efforts, especially those students who are already in class 10, students who are already in class 12, with the academic pressure that is mounting on each one of us, not just for the students, but as well as for the teachers, especially for students of class 10, as we know that this year SSLC examination will be held in the month of December. So I can understand the academic pressure that is mounting on the minds of the teachers and on the minds of the students as well. Remember, for that, it's all a teamwork. I appreciate the teachers, the escort teachers who are here, because I know that the sole objective of us all here is to be winners, to be able to win, to be able to carry the image of your own respective school. Because winning is the most important, the most important quality that we want achievement for all of us, for you all here in this inter-school athletic meet.